Oh, like here, help him out, sweetie.
He's got it. Either he's got it or he don't. You got it, Bradley. Go for
I'm
it.
gonna help this hold the thing.
Go ahead. Good job. Go ahead. Good daddy.
Come
Good
on.
daddy. You can bring him his shoes. Oh my goodness. You're so strong.
Oh.
Whoa. You did it. Almost. One more foot out. Go ahead. You got it. That was hard. Oh, that last one was stuck on the edge. Very good. Good boy, Bradley. Whoa. Hi. You did it. Well, seriously, he's going to do it again. That was hard. Why did you try Mommy's flipper flopper? My goodness.